Good morning. It's your man D Battle here, checking in with you. Hoping we can get your week started off the right way. Do me a favor. If you didn't see last week's episode, leave this video right now. Go check that out because I was talking about some numbers. And this week, I'm going to be talking about some numbers. I'm going to jump right into it. Yesterday, I took the liberty of writing some stuff down that I was thinking. And, in my opinion, I feel the average barber and the advanced barber thinks about two different sets of numbers. And I'm going to give you an example of what I'm talking about. So the average barber works about 5 to 6 days a week at 10 to 12 hours a day, giving them about 50 to 78 hours in a week. I broke this down into seconds. So for the day, it's 1,440 seconds, right? Multiply that by 6 days a week. That'll get you 8,640 seconds for the week. Multiply that by 31 days in a month. That'll get you 267,840 seconds for the month. Multiply that by 12. That'll get you 3.2 million seconds for the year. Now, I use me as an example for a 4-day work week. You get those, at 8 to 10 hours a day, giving me about 32 to 40 hours a week. Get those same 1,440 seconds in a day, multiply that by 4, that'll get you 5,760 seconds for the week. Multiply that by 31, that's 178,560 seconds for the month. Multiply that by 12, you get 2.1 million for the year. Now, the difference in that is 2,880 seconds for the week, 89,280 seconds for the month, 1 million seconds for the year. That's the difference between the two barbers. So with that time saved, that's giving barbers like me an opportunity to be doing something else with my time besides being in the shop or being in the suite cutting hair. I have time to promote my business, create brand awareness, market myself. Well, that's the same thing as promoting your business, of course. But you get the gist, I can go to networking events on my days off and meet people that I need for my business. So what I want you to do is think about that. And I'm going to put this formula up on my website so you can see how I came up with those numbers. And like I said, if it's anything I can do to help you and your business, we can come up with a strategy that suits you best. So if you would like to talk, you can shoot me a text, leave me a comment, DM me. If it's on Facebook, inbox me. It's a lot of ways that we can get up. So let's do it.